Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni, the host and the founder of the channel Dr. Surbhi Sahni Dental Series and Medical Videos. Today I come with an interesting topic regarding the mnemonics for the foramens which you read in first year of anatomy. This topic is very important even for your AIIMS MDS or NEET MDS preparation. So without wasting time, let's get started. So there are 6 to 7 foramens which I used to learn through the mnemonics. So today I'm gonna share all the mnemonics with you. I hope it will definitely help you to learn. Begin with the first foramen, that is the foramen spinosum. Its mnemonic is MENS. S stand for foramen spinosum and MEN is the content mnemonic. M stand for middle meningeal artery and vein. E stand for emissary vein and N stand for nervus spinosus. So that's all about the first foramen mnemonic. Begin with the second foramen mnemonic and that is foramen rotundum. We know that in foramen rotundum only the maxillary nerve is the one which is passing through it. You can also give the mnemonic as ROMAX. That means rotundum se ja rahi hai maxillary nerve. Along with that, we talk about the maxillary nerve. We know that it passed through different structure. There are 3 F is the mnemonic for that. The first one is the foramen. Second one is the fissure and third one is the fossa. If we talk about the content between all these 3 F, then we give another mnemonic and that is RIP. No, don't feel bad for that, but yeah. RIP stands for foramen rotundum. So R stands for rotundum. If we talk about the fissure, here the fissure is the inferior orbital fissure. So I stand for this fissure name, followed by the fossa name, that is pterygopalatine fossa. So P stand for this fossa and that's why we gave the mnemonic RIP. Begin with the next mnemonic for next foramen, that is the foramen lacerum. Its mnemonic is maple, that is MAPEL. Again, this is the mnemonic describing the foramen name as well as its content. Here the L stand for foramen lacerum. Begin with the content, that is M stand for meningeal branch of ascending, P stand for pharyngeal artery and E stand for emissary vein. So the mnemonic is maple. Begin with the next foramen, that is foramen ovale. I think this is the very common mnemonic that everyone knows, that is male. Stand for mandibular nerve. A stand for accessory meningeal artery. L stand for lesser petrosal nerve and E stand for emissary vein. So this is the mnemonic regarding foramen ovale. Talk about the last foramen, then it is foramen magnum. In that, the structure which is passing through the anterior part will have the mnemonic and that is AVM. Here A stand for apical ligament of dens. V stand for vertical band of cruciate ligament and M stand for membrane tectoria. So that's all about the different mnemonics which I use in my BDS first year while learning the contents of the foramen. I hope this will definitely help you to learn and to prepare. Thank you for watching.